That is Dixie, the blue-tick coonhound, and the creature trying to eat Dixie is Tiger. That's Tiger. She's a little tiger cat. It would like Dixie to play. Dixie's having nothing to do with this crazy mammal. Tiger, don't be bad. Dixie's not interested in playing with you. In fact, Dixie's not the least bit interested in anything to do with you. Believe it or not, all puppies aren't fans of kitties. Does not find you very amusing at all. I just can't believe that this dog does not want to wrestle with you. Tiger. Tiger. That was boring, eh? Still doesn't want to play. Those are some good moves, but no, don't think you can get that little puppy riled up. Hey, sweetie baby. It's 7 weeks. Doesn't have a whole lot of life experience, and then she experienced a tiger cat. That was pretty scary. Oh no, there's a tiger cat right there. Just when she thought it was safe to settle down. He's already had some goose. Wild goose. Brian kept it all up for you. Belly full of goose right now. Oh, he's acting like a goose. Sure, what you eat there, tiger cat? He's a silly goose.